So finally, today we are going to speak about investments. Till now, we've been building up this particular topic. If you haven't seen our earlier videos, please do check out this link. Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Funway Runway and I am Rahul. Today we are going to keep it very simple. Investment is a very complicated topic, but the simpler you make it, the better for you. So when we speak about investments, there are numerous types of investments one can do. You can invest in real estate, you can invest in stocks, you can invest in mutual funds, you can invest in debt. So which one do you choose? A lot of us are already aware of the simpler ones that many of us, including our parents, our uncles, aunts, ourselves have already used. For example, the fixed deposit, any insurance product that you're using. Again, if you haven't seen my video on insurance, please do check out this link. And do not forget to keep insurance and investments separate. Today, the type of investments we are going to focus on is going to be linked to the stock market. In our earlier videos, we tried to understand simple jargons, terminologies that are used to describe the stock market. We also tried to understand what is debt versus equity. So investing in stocks or investing in the stock market, there are two ways you can go about it. Directly investing in the stock market. Now this is pretty much simple. There are numerous stocks in the stock market. You just pick the stock you want and you buy that stock. To buy that stock, there are various platforms. A simple YouTube or Google search will help you understand how to invest via these platforms. Platforms like Zerodha, Upstocks, etc. are readily available to the investor. Now these are just the newer platforms that have come about. There are also traditional platforms that we had before this. For example, brokers like Motilal Oswal, HDFC Securities, ICICI Securities, there are numerous other options. So this is just how you can invest in the stock market. Now, but what is required to pick the right stock? Now that is a pretty complicated exercise. Stock markets have been around since ages. In this long span of existence that the stock market has been in, numerous individuals from all walks of life have invested in the stock market to make money out of it. So how do you invest? How do you pick the right stock? So let's make that decision easier for you. You would have heard of Warren Buffett, who is considered as the ultimate god of investment. Every year, Warren Buffett writes an annual letter to his shareholders. Now you can go and pick any random 20 letters that Warren Buffett has written to his shareholders across the years. And if you understand all of it, then I think you're ready to invest directly into the stocks. My hunch, however, is that you are just beginning on your journey to stock market and investments. So for such kind of investments, to get your hand dirty and to learn a bit, direct investment in stocks, IPOs is not the best option. In that case, what do you do? Where do you invest? My suggestion to you would be to invest in mutual funds. Now, mutual funds are of numerous types. Within those, I believe you should start with the index fund, where you're investing in the entire index. You're investing in Sensex or you're investing in the Nifty 50. Now, when you invest in the index itself, you're betting on the index growing. And this has always been the case over the last 20-30 years. Mutual funds, I have explained in my earlier video. You can check out the link. But to put it simply, it is a basket of stocks. This is where you get your hands dirty. You get your hands dirty by investing in index funds. You learn how it works. You learn how the stock market works. And then you gradually progress towards stock investments. Now, when you do get to that stage of investing in stocks directly, make sure to learn slow and steady. Do your fundamental and technical analysis and then invest in a stock. What fundamental and technical analysis is, I will cover that in a later video. To invest in stocks, you would need 3 accounts. You would need your bank account, you would need a demat account, and you would need a brokerage account. For mutual funds, your bank account alone would suffice. When you get started, do not directly jump into an IPO or buying a small cap stock. Now these are very risky bets. If you don't understand the implications of it, it can play very badly for you. So do begin your journey on investment in stocks as well after you've understood how to invest via index funds. But do not blindly invest in something that I say or anyone else tells you. Keep building upon your knowledge, read a lot, do your independent analysis, and only then begin investing. We will keep sharing more videos that will help make your investment journey much easier. Till then, goodbye and see you soon.
you.